Kaya nga sabi ko, mag-ingat si Senator Win kasi maganda naman future niya. Huwag ka magpagamit sa Malacanang at dun sa mga kasamahan mo kahit binibigyan ka ng high position. I'll give you the advice that someone I really respect gave me, which is receive, don't grab. I didn't grab the Senate presidency in 2016. I didn't grab it in 2025. I didn't grab it in February 2022. But to God's grace, napunta sa akin. By the way, no, kung nakuha ko yon earlier, kasi di ba nagsama-sama Senator Coco, Senator Tito, Senator Frank Drilon, Senator Mig Subiri. Alam nyo kasi sinasabi nila masarap maging Senate President. Yun yung reading between the line, ha? Kasi usually tens of billions ang pwede mo ipasok sa budget. Usually yan, malaking mga discretionary funds ang pwede mo i-withdraw. Then of course, number 3 ka. So sa lahat ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, basically you're a VIP there. Ang daming perks po ang pagiging Senate President, no?